These flying human videos are going viral on Instagram right now, and some of these pages are pulling billions of views just by posting simple AI generated clips like this. This page alone has gained thousands of followers and over 30 million views using this exact style of content. So today, I will show you exactly how to create these flying human videos yourself using AI. Let's get started. First, you will need the master prompt that we created for this niche. You can get it from our WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description. Once you copy the master prompt, head over to ChatGPT and paste it there. After running it, ChatGPT will generate 10 different flying locations and concepts for you. You can either choose one of the numbers or type your own custom idea, or simply type more if you want additional concepts. For this video, I am going with number 5. Now once it finishes generating, ChatGPT will give you an image prompt and a matching video prompt. Copy the image prompt first. Then head over to Flow AI and paste it into the image generation section. Within a few seconds, your image will be ready. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Inside the Flow AI, switch to the video generation section, upload the image you just created as the starting frame, paste the video prompt and click generate. After a short wait, your flying human video will be ready. You can then download the video directly. Here are a few other variations I have created using the same workflow. Make sure to subscribe this channel. I will be covering more hidden viral AI niches before they get saturated.